Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to visualize data in a Power BI. Just like I have right here, we get a bunch of different options. Okay, the first thing you need to do is of course bring in a data into your Power BI desktop. So you can import data from Excel, your SQL server, you can paste data into a blank table or use a sample data. I'll just import data from Excel. So we are going to get data from our File Explorer. I'll bring in this one right here. Click on Open. Okay. And now we need to select the sheets we want to import. Okay. So I'll select the sheet right here and we'll load this data in. But before we do that, you can see this data is not properly transformed. So we need to transform this data. Click here on Transform Data. Okay. The date formatting is completely wrong. So what I'll do, I'll just right click on this column and then hover over change type and we'll change this to date with time. Okay. And this one should look much better once we replace current. So just click on replace current, looks much better. And this is gross sales. I'll just hover over here, right click, hover over change type. Okay, this one seems to be fine. It is a whole number. So we'll close this, click on close and apply, and we are going to apply our changes. We have basically brought this data in. So if I click on these arrows here at the right hand side, we should be able to see all the data that we have brought in to our Power BI. Let's wait for this to load up. Now if I come here and click on data, you can see our data is in here. And we can click on these two arrows to expand visualizations. And under Build Visual, you'll be able to select any of these visualizations to use. So you can use column charts, bar charts, right, stacked column charts, area charts, line charts. There's so many different options, funnels, right, pie charts, maps with actual locations. For now, I'll just select these two, and this one should create a table, as you can see right here. So this is one visualization we can do. And if you have advanced data, you can go ahead and create visualizations like this. Okay, for example, sum of profit by country. Let me create a new visualization and show you. So for this one, let's go ahead and do a line chart. Okay, so I'll click here on line chart and we'll bring in some data to use. Okay, and let me go ahead and select market and quantity. So as you can see, this is the sum of quantity by market. This is Asia Pacific. This is Europe. And if you feel like this visualization could be better represented in another way, you can select, for example, stacked column chart. And now this one is a much better choice. And you could repeat the same thing and use any of these as I have done right here. Okay. And it's really that easy and simple.